Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create Excel or Google Sheets formulas directly inside Zapier. This is a full updated guide for 2026. If you're automating spreadsheets and want to calculate values, combine text, or clean data automatically, yeah, this is exactly what you need. So let's jump in. First, open your Zapier dashboard. You can either create a new Zap or open an existing one where you're already using Excel or Google Sheets. The formula part works the same in both cases. Now, add a new action step. Search for Utilities by Zapier and select it. This is the built-in tool Zapier gives you for formulas and data manipulation. Here you'll see several options. For formulas, choose the Utilities option that fits your use case. Most of the time, the standard Utilities action works perfectly. Now comes the important part, the formula itself. In the input fields, you can add numbers together, format text, or clean up values. You don't need Excel-style equal signs here. Zapier handles the logic automatically. Once your formula is set up, test the step. Zapier will show you a preview of the result. If it looks right, you're good. If not, just adjust the inputs and test again. Simple as that. Finally, map the formula output into your Excel or Google Sheets step. From now on, Zapier will calculate everything automatically every time the Zap runs. And that's it. You've just created spreadsheet formulas inside Zapier without any complicated coding. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.